drill down to a lower layer, to a higher level of detail, maybe drill down a couple of layers, that reveals a question that I can actually get my head around. I can actually think about devising an experiment for that. So by way of example, I might ask a question, are nutrient additions going to cause important changes to aquatic ecosystems? Well, that sounds like an appealing question. It would be a neat thing to do research on, but to tell you the truth, I really don't know, what nutrients am I talking about? What changes are important? Actually, what aquatic ecosystems matter in this question? To think about actually devising a question that would address that, or devising experiments that would address that particular question, it's really kind of hard to think about what you would do. So maybe I drill down a level. And I find, well, okay, what about elevated phosphorus concentrations cause species changes in rivers? Okay, well, that's better. Now it's not just nutrients. I'm going to talk about phosphorus concentrations, but kind of elevated to what standard? What am I talking about? Is this a high amount of phosphorus, just a small amount of phosphorus? What species am I talking about? What changes? And so maybe I need to drill down a little bit further. So, is phosphorus fertilization going to increase the autotrophic primary production in an oligotrophic river? Okay, now I begin to have a treatment here that I can think about. It's a phosphorus fertilization. I have a specific metric that I might be able to measure pretty easily, and that's primary production, autotrophic primary production. And I've got an experimental unit. It's been specified. I've got an oligotrophic